In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete frame in Figma. If you're cleaning up a design file, reorganizing your layout, or removing a section you no longer need, deleting a frame is a quick, straightforward task. I'll walk you through it clearly so you avoid accidentally removing the wrong thing. First, a quick note on what a frame is. In Figma, a frame is like a container or artboard that holds other layers: text, shapes, images, and even other frames. When you delete a frame, you're removing that container and everything inside it. That's important to keep in mind as you select what you want to remove. Start by clicking the frame you want to delete. Make sure you're selecting the actual frame, not just a layer inside it. The easiest way to confirm is to hover near the frame's edge and click once. You should see a clear outline around the entire area of the frame. You'll also notice that the selection highlights the frame's boundary, not just a single object inside. If you click and only a text box or an icon is outlined, that means you're still inside the frame. Click again on the edge until the whole frame is selected. Take a second to double check that you have the right one, especially if your file has multiple frames that look similar or are nested. Once the frame is selected, press the Delete key on your keyboard. On many keyboards, this is labeled Delete, and on some, it may appear as backspace. As soon as you press it, Figma removes the frame along with everything it contains. If you deleted the frame by mistake, don't worry. Use your standard undo shortcut to bring it back right away. If nothing seems to happen when you press delete, it usually means the frame itself wasn't selected. Try clicking directly on the frame's outer boundary and look for that full frame highlight before pressing delete again. Zooming out a bit can also help you see the whole frame and confirm you've got the correct selection, especially if your canvas is crowded. That's all there is to it. Click the frame to select it, then press delete. Keeping an eye on what's highlighted before you delete will save you time and prevent surprises. With that quick habit, you'll be able to keep your Figma files tidy and focused on what matters. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.